Smart people, all of us get 24 hours a day. But here's the funny part. Some people spend their 24 hours getting richer, getting healthier, getting smarter, getting stronger. While others spend their 24 hours on TikTok learning how to make noodles with firecrackers. What are you doing, my friend? So today I want to ask you a simple but powerful question. Are you spending your time to make yourself better? Or are you spending your time to make someone else richer while you stay the same? Let's talk about it. When I was young, and I mean very young, I had no money, no connections, no good grades. I failed in school so many times, I thought the word fail was part of my name. Jack Fail Ma. But the one thing I had, time. And I realized early, if I don't use my time wisely, I will always be poor. If you don't learn how to spend time improving yourself, you will always work for someone who does. Let me say that again. If you don't learn how to spend time improving yourself, you will always work for someone who does. And that's not a bad thing. But if you want freedom, if you want growth, if you want change, then you must respect your time like you respect money. Better yet, respect it more than money. You can lose money and get it back, but once time is gone, boom, it's gone. You cannot rewind. You can't press Ctrl+Z on life, my friend. This is not Microsoft Word. Many young people today say things like, I need work-life balance. I need to rest. I need vacation. I deserve it. Wait. What are you balancing? Are you balancing poverty and laziness? When I was in my 20s and 30s, I didn't have balance. I had urgency. Every day I told myself, Jack, if you don't get better, you will be stuck. No one is coming to rescue you. No magic fairy is dropping money from the sky. Your only weapon is you, your mind, your skills, your habits. Let me give you a funny example. If you are broke and you say, I'm going to relax this weekend, go clubbing, spend time with friends, enjoy life. But Jeff Bezos is in his office reading books about quantum computing. Elon Musk is watching videos about rockets and physics. Oprah is interviewing psychologists about human behavior. Do you see what's happening? You are partying. They are preparing. That's why they're billionaires. And that's why you are looking for Wi-Fi in Starbucks. Don't get me wrong. Enjoy life. But don't over-celebrate your average life. Work hard now so you can rest later. Don't rest now and suffer later. Let me ask you, if your boss fired you today, could you survive? If Instagram disappears today, can your business still exist? If they remove your university degree, can you still bring value to the market? That's the real question. You see, school gave you a paper, a certificate, but life doesn't care about certificates. Life cares about skills. If you know how to sell, you'll never be broke. If you know how to write, you'll always find a way. If you know how to think, you'll always create value. And here's the good news. Skills are free to learn. YouTube is free. Google is free. Libraries are free. Free courses everywhere. The only thing stopping you is Netflix. And your relationship with TikTok. Every time you say, I don't have time, check your screen time. Don't lie to yourself. You're not tired. You're just distracted. Spend 1 hour a day learning something new, and in 1 year, you will be smarter than 99% of your friends. Let me be honest. The world is moving fast, very fast. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, digital transformation. If you are not growing, you are falling behind. It's like being on an escalator that's moving downward. If you just stand still, you go down. The only way to go up is to climb. Every day, even if it's slow. One of my favorite sayings is, success is not about giant leaps. It's about small steps taken every day. You don't need to read 50 books today. Just read 10 pages.